This problem is for black to play. Black has only 2 liberties left, and white has 3. So if black tries any conventional moves, black will fail instantly, like this, or this. So black must try to extend its own liberties, right? If it tries this, now black has 3 liberties, but this is not enough. Black will still fail this way, right? So number 1 doesn't work. You might also think extending to the corner, right, like this. But white can Atari here. If black connects, now we're back to a 2 liberties versus 3 liberties situation. And black will not be able to succeed this way. And that really leaves us with only one viable option, and that is this. Standing down here. Of course, white will not try to occupy the inside liberty. This will be a 2 versus 2, right? Black can win very easily if white plays at number 2. Now this is 3 liberties versus 3 liberties, so white must try to occupy either of these liberties. If white does this, then black can play here. If white attacks from the inside, this will be very bad for white. If white attacks from the outside, now what black can do is to simply play this, because white cannot play this. White can only capture, and now black can capture white, like this. Similarly, if white plays here, right, black needs to be careful. Black should not capture number 2. Because this way, this will be a ko, right? This will be a 2-step ko for white. But white still has the pressure on black. So when white plays at number 4, black should play on the outside. White cannot connect here, so white can only capture, and now black will be able to win this race to capture. Lastly, if white plays here, black should play this bend that kind of swallows this number 2. And now black will be able to have a real eye here, and this will be a victory for black here on the side. So after 1, 2, and 3, black has already won this race to capture. So overall, a pretty interesting pattern with quite a few possibilities. And sometimes standing down on the first line can be a good move. It's often a good move that you should consider. But of course, how to respond to white's potential moves are also important, especially this one, right? Because it's very tempting to capture here. But the correct move is actually to play on the outside. So make sure you try out all the variations on your own and take this pattern forward with you. Good luck, and thank you for watching.